Why do some people seem to effortlessly command attention the moment they step into a room? Is it their intelligence, looks, or education? Surprisingly, none of the above. The secret lies in how they communicate. Conversations don't have to be awkward, filled with small talk, or feel like a chore. How to Talk to Anyone by Leil Lowndes breaks down the science of connection into 92 simple yet powerful techniques, helping you master the art of communication, whether through words or body language. After this summary, you'll know how to make people like you, appear confident and trustworthy, and navigate any social situation like a pro. If you've ever struggled to express yourself, felt shy in conversations, or wished you had the charm of a natural-born communicator, this book is for you. Ready to learn how to connect, persuade, and leave a lasting impression, all without pretending to be someone you're not? Lesson 1. Mastering First Impressions. First impressions don't just matter, they last. Within moments of meeting someone, they subconsciously decide whether they like and trust you. The key to making a great first impression: confidence, warmth, and genuine interest. But words alone aren't enough. Your body language plays a crucial role. Non-verbal cues often speak louder than what you say. Open body language, relaxed shoulders, uncrossed arms, and a welcoming posture instantly makes you more approachable. Slouching or closed-off postures, on the other hand, create distance. One powerful technique from How to Talk to Anyone is the sticky eyes strategy. Holding eye contact just a second longer than usual, this signals that you're fully present and engaged in the moment. Think about it. When someone greets you with a warm smile, steady eye contact, and a relaxed, confident stance, you naturally feel valued. That's the energy you want to project. Pairing intentional eye contact with strong, open body language helps create real connections, making people feel seen and appreciated. Master this, and you'll leave a lasting impression wherever you go. Lesson 2. People need to know you like them. If you want to build strong connections, people need to feel that you genuinely like and appreciate them. When someone senses that they are valued, they naturally open up and engage more. So how do you show this? Active listening is key. Truly focus on what the other person is saying instead of just waiting for your turn to speak. Pair this with steady eye contact and positive body language, like nodding and leaning in slightly to show interest. Another simple yet powerful technique is offering genuine compliments and asking thoughtful questions about their interests. When people feel heard and appreciated, they naturally feel closer to you. Small gestures make a big difference, so next time you meet someone, show them that you enjoy their company and watch how effortlessly connections grow. Lesson 3. Building rapport. Rapport is that invisible thread that makes conversations flow effortlessly. It's what turns a simple chat into a meaningful connection. But how do you create it instantly? One powerful technique is the flooding smile. Instead of flashing a quick grin, let your smile build up slowly and warmly. Instant smiles may come across as insincere. Instead, make eye contact first, pause, and then offer a warm, genuine smile. This small gesture creates a sense of trust and makes others feel genuinely welcomed. Another subtle yet effective strategy is mirroring, matching someone's body language, speech patterns, and expressions. When done naturally, this makes interactions feel familiar and comfortable. Even using similar words and phrases can strengthen that subconscious bond. To deepen the connection, show empathy and acknowledge shared experiences. Simple nods, affirming statements, and genuine interest go a long way in making conversations smoother and more engaging. Lesson 4. Mastering the art of small talk. Small talk isn't just filler, it's the gateway to deeper connections. The key to making it meaningful? Keeping the conversation open and engaging. Instead of giving short, generic responses, expand on your answers to invite further discussion. For example, if someone asks, "How was your weekend?" don't just say, "Good." Instead, add a detail, "It was great. I tried a new hiking trail and the view was incredible." This opens the door for the other person to respond and keep the conversation flowing. Another essential skill is asking open-ended questions instead of dead-end inquiries like, "Did you have fun?" Try, "What was the best part of your weekend?" Questions about hobbies, travel, or current events spark more engaging discussions and show genuine curiosity. Pair this with active listening, nodding, making eye contact, and following up on their responses to make others feel heard and valued. Small talk is a skill that can transform casual interactions into meaningful connections. Master it, and every conversation will feel effortless and engaging. Lesson 5. Handling awkward situations. Awkward moments happen to everyone, but they don't have to derail a conversation. The key is to handle them with grace, composure, and strategic redirection. If you face rejection or disinterest, don't take it personally. Respond with understanding. Instead of reacting negatively, say something like, "I totally get it, no worries, maybe another time." This keeps the interaction positive and leaves the door open for future conversations. Knowing how to steer conversations away from uncomfortable topics is another essential skill. If a heated or sensitive subject comes up, smoothly transitioning to a different topic can prevent unnecessary tension. For example, if someone brings up a controversial issue at a gathering, you can say, "That's an interesting take. By the way, how was your recent trip?" This subtly shifts the discussion without making anyone feel dismissed. A great tool for handling uncomfortable moments is humor. If someone makes an awkward remark, a light-hearted response like, "Well, that's one way to put it," can diffuse tension while keeping the mood friendly. The goal isn't to avoid difficult conversations altogether, but to guide them in a way that maintains harmony and mutual respect. Beyond handling awkward moments, strong relationships require consistent effort to maintain. A simple follow-up after a conversation can reinforce connections. Something as small as, "I really enjoyed our chat earlier, thanks for sharing your thoughts," makes people feel valued and appreciated. Healthy relationships are built on a balance of giving and receiving. Offering support when someone needs it, whether it's lending a hand on a project or just listening, strengthens the bond. But it's equally important to reach out when you need support yourself. Strong connections thrive on mutual investment. Finally, maintaining relationships requires thoughtfulness and consistency. Checking in with a quick message like, "Hey, I was thinking about you, how's everything going?" can go a long way in keeping connections strong. Relationships aren't just about first impressions, they grow through continuous effort, kindness, and genuine interest. Lesson 6. The power of body language. Your body language plays a crucial role in how others perceive you, often speaking louder than words. To project confidence and warmth, use open and engaging gestures like a relaxed posture, uncrossed arms, and steady eye contact, signaling attentiveness and interest. Standing tall with your shoulders back instantly makes you appear more competent and self-assured, while removing physical barriers, such as avoiding crossed arms or placing objects between yourself and others, fosters a sense of openness. Tension in the body, like clenched fists or tightly crossed legs, can create an unapproachable presence, so staying relaxed and keeping your hands visible helps build better connections. Additionally, minimizing fidgeting, such as tapping fingers or shifting weight, ensures you project calmness and authority. Mastering these subtle yet powerful cues enhances your presence in both social and professional settings, making interactions feel more natural and engaging. Lesson 7. Mastering persuasion. Persuasion isn't just about logic, it's about emotions too. Instead of giving generic compliments, be specific, saying, "I was really impressed by how you kept the meeting on track while making sure everyone's voice was heard." That showed real leadership, makes a much bigger impact than a simple, great job. The same goes for storytelling. Facts alone don't inspire people, but a well-told story can. Whether you're rallying a team or pitching an idea, stories help people connect with your message on a deeper level. Strong professional relationships are built on trust, reliability, and effort. It's not just about doing your job well, it's about making sure your contributions are noticed. Come prepared to meetings, engage with others' ideas, and build on their points to show you're truly listening. Workplace alliances also go a long way. Offering a helping hand or a useful resource strengthens connections and builds goodwill. At the end of the day, persuasion and professional success come down to one thing: making genuine connections and showing people they matter. Learning how to talk to anyone isn't just about making conversation. It's about leaving a great impression, building real connections, and feeling more at ease in any social situation. Whether it's in your personal life or at work, these tips can totally change the way you interact with people, helping you grow and reach your goals. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more book breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.